Now that's the question. Who are we? It sounds simple, but it opens up everything: identity, consciousness, biology, soul, society, purpose. So let's break it down in layers, from scientific to existential to philosophical and spiritual. You can pick what resonates most and we can dive deeper into that area. From a scientific and evolutionary point of view, species Homo sapiens, a primate species that evolved roughly 300,000 years ago in Africa. Body 37 trillion cells made of atoms forged in stars. You are literally stardust. Brain, a 3-pound organ capable of self-awareness, imagination, language, memory, and morality. DNA, 99.9% genetically similar to all other humans. We share 98% of our genes with chimpanzees. Survival machine. You are a product of millions of years of adaptation, designed to seek food, avoid danger, reproduce, and form groups. Humans aren't just animals, we know that we exist. That changes everything. Self-awareness. We can think about ourselves thinking. We build identities, names, roles, personalities, emotions. We feel fear, love, joy, shame, wonder. Meaning makers. We create stories, beliefs, religions, philosophies to explain life. Social minds. We define ourselves through relationships, culture, community. From a sociological lens, we are social animals, born into cultures that shape how we think, dress, eat, worship, and define right and wrong. We are part of narratives, family stories, national histories, religious traditions, and subcultures. Identity is constructed, gender, race, class, and even personality are all influenced by social systems. Across spiritual traditions, the answer to who are we gets deep. In Hinduism, you are Atman, a soul that is part of Brahman, the infinite reality. Your body and ego are temporary. In Buddhism, you are not a fixed self. There is no permanent I, just a flow of consciousness and causes. Enlightenment comes from realizing this. Christianity teaches that you are a child of God, made in the divine image, with a soul meant for love, grace, and eternal life. In Islam, you are a servant of Allah, created with purpose and dignity, living a test of faith in this life. Indigenous beliefs suggest you are part of a living web, connected to nature, ancestors, and spirit. Identity is collective and cosmic. New Age or spiritual perspectives say you are consciousness experiencing itself, the universe becoming aware, or a soul on a journey through lifetimes. Philosophers have wrestled with this forever. Descartes said, "I think therefore I am." Consciousness equals identity. Hume argued that the self is just a bundle of perceptions, no fixed core. Sartre believed we are what we choose to become, existence before essence. Nietzsche claimed we must create ourselves, because there is no given meaning. Alan Watts suggested you are the universe pretending to be a person. So, who are we really? We are physical matter, with ancient origins. Conscious minds capable of reflection and creativity. Social beings shaped by love, loss, story, and culture. Spiritual seekers trying to find connection, meaning, or transcendence, possibly illusions, constructs of thought and awareness. Or maybe, the universe looking at itself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.